another day, another bit of tidying up. Welcome back everybody, welcome back. Right, got all these little yellow boxes which have come out the DeWalt drawers. So in a total I've got 18 of these boxes now, and I probably won't use 6 of them. There's them ones there, and there's them ones up here. So yeah, did a bit of a boo-boo though yesterday, and I'll be honest with you. I bought another box drawer to put that in, but that doesn't fit in it. So I need one of the deeper boxes. So yeah, that's all that sorted now. Oh well, it's time to sort all this stuff out. What's in these, and put them in the boxes, and so on. Oh, I wonder if that'll fit in. Let's have a look. No, it's not going to do, because that silver one didn't fit in. I wanted to put that in there as well, so that doesn't fit. So let me just go and sort all these boxes out now. Oh well, these screws out, because there's screws everywhere, there's bits and wires everywhere, and I want to try and put them in boxes so I know where everything is. So hopefully it all comes together. So that's one job done, that's all. Screws put away. I've just got to try and get them so they're hung up on some sort of runner or something like that, so they're easy to slide out and slide back. So like I say, just a few little bits and bobs, and then I'll have all my screws, my nuts, my bolts, everything put away. So let's go and get a cup of tea. Well, I've come up with, I think, is a really, really good idea. I think it is. If anybody's bought one of these, and then you get these little storage boxes inside, I've not bought it for the storage boxes then. What I've done is I bought it to use just the drawer to put my tools in. So I bought it to just basically have these sort of things in, and not for these. So I've come up with an idea. You're going to love this idea. I think you will anyway. So if you've got one of them and you're wondering what to do with these, because there's no like, you have to build a shelf, put them on, and so on and so on. So I've come up with an idea, and it works. So if you look on the side of this van, we've got guttering going all the way along. So what I've done is I've cut a piece of black guttering, right, and I'm going to attach it to the wall, and then these fit in like that. So let me go and get it fastened to the wall, and I'll show you what I mean. So it's absolutely brilliant. Let's crack on and see what it's like when I've finished it. So I'm going to put 2 or 3 screws, one there, one there, one there. Now this is a plastic shed, but it has got like sections where you can screw into. So that's what I'm going to do. If you wanted to put more tools in this, you could obviously put a bracket underneath and rest it on the bracket and to the wall. But I'm not having that many screws and things, but that's what I'm going to do. Even down to the little ones, the little boxes. Now the little boxes, they'll just go that way. So hopefully it works a treat. So it's just a little hack when you've got all these boxes and you don't know what to do with them. So let's go and test it out and see if it works. Fingers crossed it does. It does hold them, but let's see in my method in my head if it will put them on. So first of all, I've just got to put a little If you can see where the thicker ones here, that's where you can put the screws. So I'm just going to put it here. I'm going to mark off. Put a level with that. It is level. So I'm going to put one screw there. That's one. 2. And I'll put the third one here. And these are the screw fixings which I got if I'm ever fastening out up onto the shed. So it's just 3 of these, just smaller ones. So let's get that sorted. Right. So let's get it all fastened up with the holes that's there. That's one. Two. Get that straightened up a bit. If it's not strong enough, you can put a little shelf underneath, but that is ideal for me, what I want it for. So then I'll just put my little boxes on here. 1, 2, 3. I'll do it even hourly. 1, 2. And last one, 5. So I can see what's in my tubs. There you go. I could have put a bracket underneath to lift it up. So I might just do that, to be honest. But I like to see what's inside them, so I can see here what's inside. Or I could just, like I said, put a bracket underneath and lift them up straight. But that's a way of doing it. So you're using them. You're not wasting them, are you? So yeah. So basically, all I've done is basically made. So I've got somewhere to put my screws in. I've not wasted them, have I? I've not like just because I was going to throw them. But when I've seen them on eBay, they're asking 15, 16 quid for them boxes for 6 of them. So that is just my way. And then I get another one. Probably take the shelf off. Probably will put a bracket underneath these, to be honest, for a bit more strength. But they are strong enough. And I'm not going to be putting a lot of stuff in them. If I was putting a lot of stuff in them, yeah, I probably would be a bit different. But yeah, how good's that? Just a little bit of the tip save throwing them. And I've got another 12 of them. So 2 more gutterings. And then obviously it's storage, in it. It's storage, a bit more storage for your screws, your nuts, your bolts, your nails. So yeah, it's worked out alright. Saves throwing them. So if you do like that idea, I mean obviously I've only fastened them on with little screws. If I wanted to, I could have got the little bracket, little shelf brackets and put them on them and do it that way. But then you'd have screw holes underneath the plastic with the boxes still holding. Or would you just velcro it on? I don't know. But at the end of the day, that's just a storage idea. Just save throwing them away. So then, yeah, 2 more. I might take these off. These are just for holding the bikes up, which they won't hold them bikes up. So I'll take them off. And then probably go too higher with the that bit and move the shelf somewhere else for jam, because Jan on the opposite side of the shed, she's got the bit of a laundry bit. So yeah, that's I can see what's in them. Do you know what I mean? It's alright. I could have lifted it up and labelled it. What do you think? You should have taken it off and put the wall brackets on for the shelving, and then do it that way, and then come down with the screw and the nut and bolt? Or should I leave it as it is so I can just see in top? Because there's not a lot of weight in them. There's not going to be a lot of weight in it. Or there's other options, but it's just, like I say, it's just a cheap alternative way of a bit of guttering, put them on, and then I can see where my nuts and bolts are. And like I say, I've got quite a few more of them to put on. But it's just about sorting organisation and making sure everything fits where it is. So that's what I'm doing. So yeah, it's that's the try of the new drill as well, wasn't it? So yeah, more than happy. More than happy with that. So let's just going to put all this away now. So that's all put away now. And now it's just a matter of getting the rest of it sorted out. Like I say, I got another drawer. And this all connects back on top of this. So, just a little bits of organisation. The trolley's back in its spot. It's looking all black and yellow, isn't it? Have you seen that video of that fella who's done all his van out? And it's like DeWalt. Honest to God. It's amazing what he's done. Really amazing. Like I say, I made a cock up with that. I thought the drawer would have kept that in, and it doesn't. But it's one of them things, isn't it? Can't have it always. So for the time being, it's like that. Until I can get another one with a bin, the bigger, deeper bin. Do a go all the full hog and then get the foam cutouts, what people are doing. Well, I don't think so, to be honest. I'm just going to use it like that for a minute. But if that's a good idea for anybody and you're thinking about it, it's not too bad, is it? It's just stores all your screws and your bolts and that. It's nothing heavy going to go in that. If it was going to be heavier, perhaps I would have put, like I said, the shelving bracket underneath. But I do like how, I didn't do it deliberately that, I do like how I can see on the top of it. Perhaps the next one, yeah, the next one will probably do the same, so it's all be facing. So this will come off and they'll go on, and I'll probably move that to the other side for Jan to use. Give us a thumbs up, give us a like, give us a share, tell me what you think. Is it alright? Is it something you do? Does it give you an idea? Because we all love these little tips and tricks, don't we? But looking at it from here, looks alright. Looks alright. Still doing bits and bobs in here, and I'm building it up, sorting things out as I go along. Because that's the only way I can do it, because things have got to go places. Like I said, that's going to sort all my screws and my nuts and everything out now, my nails. I've got this little storage one up here, but that's for the car. It's got bulbs, washers, fuses, all electrical stuff, to be honest, in there. So yeah, catch you all soon on the next one. And the next one won't be long, because I've got something good. 2 things coming. Is it 2? 3 things coming. So keep an eye out for them, because honestly, I think it's going to be absolutely brilliant. So I'll catch you in a bit. Keep an eye out for them videos, because they are coming more and more regular now, because I'm motivating myself. So thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.